Unlike most of the cathedrals in Italy, the cathedral here in Arezzo is not dedicated to the Virgin Mary, but instead to the patron saints of the city, Donatus and Peter. The building was begun in 1277, although the facade that you see today is actually early 20th century and replaced the unfinished 15th century facade. While the outside of the Duomo of Arezzo is relatively austere, the inside is more typically Gothic, dark with pointed arches. The beautiful stained glass windows were designed by the celebrated French stained glass master Guillaume de Marcillat in the early 16th century. But for me, the real gem of Arezzo Cathedral is the fresco of Mary Magdalene by Piero della Francesca. And like Ferdinand here behind me, remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of the great content that we're filming here directly in Italy and publishing weekly.